And here something is very beautiful coming, brothers and sisters. And that is the introduction of La and Nahiyatu. What is it? You can write down introduction of La and Nahiyatu. La and Nahiyatu. We have got two kinds of La. Okay, brother and sister? La and La of negation. What is it, brother? Or you can call it negative law. Huh? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now we come to La and Nahiyatu. What will you call this, brother? Preventive law. In this lesson, brothers and sisters, I'm giving you a little hint. We have still 7 minutes left. Good. There is a difference between La and Nafiyatu and La and Nahiyatu. La and Nafiyatu does not change fi'l mudariya. Okay? Ana la ashrabu shai. Ala. I don't want to drink tea. Ana la azhabu ila souk kulla yawmin. I don't go to the market every day. Okay. But what happens when you use la nahiya? It has an impact on fi'l mudariya. It will make fi'l mudariya majzoom. What will it make? Majzoom. Now we are learning. Okay. Here, brother, I tell you. Ijlis. What is the meaning of ijlis? Sit. Now I want to tell you, don't sit. What will it be? La ijlis? Ijlis? La ijlis? No, that is not right, brother. Ijlis is ijlis. You cannot put la there. What will you say? La tajlis. Are you with me? What will you say? La tajlis. Huh? La tajlis huna ya akhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? La tajlis huna ya akhi. What happened? La and nahiyatu came and fi'l mudariya became majzoom. La ta'kul, la tajlis, la taktub, la taqra. All of them will become majzoom. Very good question. La and nahiyatu tufidu amar. It indicates amar, but it's not fi'l amar. Fi'l amar, we know fi'l amar. But la nahiya has the indication of the power of amar. La tajlis huna. Don't sit here. Ana la ajlisu huna. I don't sit here. So ana la ajlisu. But if I have to tell you, I cannot give amar to myself. We start with first using la nahiya for the second person. Then we will come to third person. But la nahiya will not be used for first person. Okay? And then, if I tell you la tajlis, let us start with our 6 forms. What are those 6 forms of second person? Tajlisu, tajlisani, tajlisuna, tajlisina, tajlisani, tajlisna. Okay, use la nahiya now. La tajlis. And then la tajlisa, because we want to make it now majzoom. Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay, let me write it down. All right. What is tajlisani? Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi subuti nun. Now I tell you la. La and nahiya. What will happen now? Noon is out. Noon aata hai, noon jata hai. Are you with me, brother and sister? How will you describe now? Now you know la nahiya makes the fi'l mudariya majzoom. Period. Majzoom. Huh? Okay, so you will say la an nahiyatu. Fine. Tajlisa fi'lu mudari'un majzoomun. What is it now? Bi harfi nun. Are you with me? Fi'lun mudari'un majzoomun bi harfi nun. Fine, brothers and sisters. Tajlisuna. Now all of them are, the whole group comes and wants to sit on the chair. And we say, don't sit here. To all of them. La tajlisu huna. Tajlisuna. Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi thubuti nun. La an-nahiya. What is tajlisu? Fi'lun mudari'un majzoomun. Huh? By tomorrow you will become expert, inshallah. Fi'lun mudari'un. Now it is majzoom. Remember, moods of mudari'a. Fi'lun mudari'un majzoomun bi hadfi nun. Where is the file? Wow. Where is the file here? Alif. Huh? Okay. Tajlisina. Huh? Ijlisi. Sit here. Ijlisi huna. Ya Hafsa. Huh? Now I have to tell her, don't sit here. La tajlisi. What was actually tajlisina? Let me write down. Huh? How do I describe tajlisina? Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi thubuti nun. Are you with me? Now I put it here. La. La an-nahiya. What will I say? La tajlisi. So what is tajlisi? Fi'lun mudari'un majzoomun bi hadfi nun. Where is the file? Yeah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? You got the idea? Huh? So this is what it is, and it's going to become very interesting. And you will see, we will learn so many things, and they are very easy. Once you have a good foundation of the moods of mudariya, and you know that there are 3 divisions, 5 in your pocket, noon aata hai, noon jata hai, and mabni. So you know how to make them majzoom. Okay, 5 in the pocket it's very easy. You just put a sukun. Huh? Okay? But what happens to noon aata hai, noon jata hai? When you put la nahiya, the noon jata hai. Are you with me? Okay, so it's very easy.